Welcome back to Digital Urim. In the previous video, we explored the history of cyber attacks and how they evolved over time. Now, we will understand how cybersecurity is actually organized. The industry divides security into domains, which are specialized areas where different controls, tools, and knowledge are applied. Today, we will explore the 8 main cybersecurity domains and how they are used in practice. The first domain is security and risk management. This domain focuses on understanding the risks that affect an organization and how to reduce them. It includes activities such as risk analysis, security policies, regulatory compliance, and incident management. In other words, this domain defines the strategy and rules of security. The second domain is asset security. This domain protects the information that belongs to the organization. This includes sensitive data, intellectual property, and customer information. This domain focuses on classifying, protecting, and controlling access to data. The third domain is security architecture and engineering. This domain focuses on designing secure systems from the beginning. It includes secure infrastructure design, network segmentation, and trust models. The goal is to prevent vulnerabilities before systems are deployed. The fourth domain is communication and network security. This domain protects how systems connect and exchange data. It includes technologies such as firewalls, IDS and IPS, and network monitoring. Its goal is to detect attacks moving across the network. The fifth domain is identity and access management, also known as IAM. This domain controls who can access systems and what they are allowed to do. It includes controls such as multi-factor authentication, privilege management, and access control. This domain is critical because many attacks aim to steal identities. The sixth domain is security assessment and testing. This domain performs tests to find vulnerabilities before attackers do. It includes security audits, penetration testing, and vulnerability scanning. Its purpose is to identify weaknesses in systems. The seventh domain is security operations. This domain monitors systems in real time. It includes activities such as event monitoring, alert analysis, and incident response. This is the domain where SOC analysts work. The eighth domain is software development security. This domain integrates security into the software development process. It includes practices such as secure coding, code review, and security testing. The goal is to build software that is secure from the start. These 8 domains work together. An incident can start in an application, spread across the network, and ultimately compromise identities. That's why cybersecurity requires a complete system view. Let's imagine a typical attack. An employee receives a phishing email. This attack involves multiple security domains. First, the application security domain is involved because the attacker uses a fake website. Then, the identity management domain is involved because the goal is to steal credentials. If the attacker gains access, network security controls come into play. Afterward, the security operations team, such as the SOC, must detect the incident. This demonstrates that these domains don't operate in isolation, but rather as part of a system. Each domain opens up different career paths. For example, network security can lead to roles such as network security engineer. Security operations can lead to roles such as SOC analyst or incident analyst. Application security can lead to roles such as penetration tester or app SEC specialist. Risk management can lead to roles as GRC analyst or security auditor. Understanding these domains also helps you decide what kind of professional you want to be. Now you know the 8 main domains of cybersecurity and what they are used for. In the next video, we'll look at one of the most important concepts in information security, the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Understand, defend, grow.